to another unboxing video. So today I have a puzzle in. Yeah, actually I purchased a Jungkook 108 piece jigsaw puzzle with a frame, of course, but the frame is actually with the package. Yeah, so I actually get one of the seller from the net, and they sold at a very quite cheap price, which I wouldn't actually get this price from other seller, or maybe reverse, I'm not sure. So actually I saw this price very quite cheap, and I feel it's very nice as their review is like everyone got their items safe and sound and without any damage. So I will do an unboxing for this and see how it looks like, and definitely I will try to do some quick speed up vlog like how's the after products actually looks like for this item. Let's start with our unboxing right now. Okay guys, a little bit to say, but this seller is kind of a bit dangerous. Actually, they didn't even wrap the JK jigsaw puzzle, and they just came in like that with just a box. Like, although they gave me a box, they should also wrap it with a bubble wrap or something like that. But they legit never wrap it with a bubble wrap. So, is this a reason of having a cheap price item? Yeah, as you see here, I actually purchased the BTS mini jigsaw puzzle and frame, and it's like 108 piece. Yeah, so this will be the frame actually. Okay, so there's this big hit logo here. And the bottom. I actually wanted to put this thing back, so I tried to open this thing safely. Okay. Because end of the day, I was still gonna put maybe my puzzle piece back inside here, what? So yeah, I just try not to damage it. I take this out first. Okay, so actually this item was very nice to touch. Yeah. And let's check on the four corners. Like, there is no problem, I guess, on the four corners. Actually, I was very scared with all these corners thingy, because every time a box is delivered to my house, actually one of the corners they would definitely dented it. But I'm very impressed with this seller. Like, they legit handle all the corners very well. It's like I don't see any flaws inside here. Oh my god, this is very nice. Oh my god. Wow, the material is very nice. I don't know whether you can hear it. Yeah, the material is so nice. Here's the Big Hit Entertainment. Okay, let's see this thing. Actually, I'm really liking this face. I don't know why. I like Jungkook face since they came out with this version. Okay, let's slowly take this thing off. Okay, so this is the frame. This will be... yeah. I should put this with this. It should be like that. Yes. This is Jungkook face. I'll be very extra careful with this thing so that I don't damage it. Okay. Oh, so actually it's a very quite tiny pack. Seriously, is it 108 piece? I really don't believe this right now. Oh, and look at this. We have... this is called what? Acrylic tile postcard? Oh, actually it's nice. I was really scared that this is actually a fake product. But then, it's not fake. I love the picture. The colors are very nice. Yeah, I see. So I can actually say this seller is not fake, although they did give me a bubble wrapper for it, but actually the seller is not fake. All these items are so nice. Especially I very scared this photo card would be very fake, but end up it's very, very beautiful. So I definitely will actually purchase from her from other members. Yeah. Okay, so I really don't recommend this, but I'm actually gonna do it. But let's see how much I can actually finish this thing. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Like, how can I actually find everything out? Actually guys, to be honest, I actually watched some YouTube and actually figure out like how those people actually solve all this thing. I'm actually didn't play puzzle like quite a long time, so to be honest, I'm not very good at puzzle at this moment. Super not good. Okay, how can I eventually find this? Guys, I literally gonna give up this. Like, I'm gonna separate out the color first because it's like I'm getting headache with all this thing. It's seriously getting me headache. Okay guys, seriously, I got this. I got this. Finally, big entertainment represent. Oh my god, this is crazy. crazy. Oh my god, there's so many pieces and I legit can't find the logo for BTS at the moment. Am I so weak in this thing?